Hey, welcome to another chapter in Magdi-AI. Welcome back. Sorry it took so long to do another recording. I was very busy working on a new feature that I hope you'll be as excited as I am. I am going to give you an introduction on MagdiCreator, which is our new agent feature. And when you click on the button, you are taken to a wizard. The whole point of the wizard is to allow you to select the options you would like to have in creating manual and or automated tests without having to do long, exhaustive, or detailed prompts. The wizard will help you construct the prompt for you. So here on the requirement screen, you can share what your requirements are by entering or pasting the details in this text window. You can upload a document, specifications, user stories, and then you can also enter the URL of your application and let Magdi-AI determine what the specification should be given the app that you are about to develop tests for. So in this intro, I'm only going to put in some dummy data just so that we can proceed to the next screen. And you can see it lets you know, okay, we've completed gathering our requirements. And here you can kind of select, are we developing manual tests or are we developing automation tests? And when you select automation tests, you can create a new project or you can update an existing one. So if we click manual test, we click next, and you can see that we have chosen our mode. So now we can choose our settings. And here you can say, what style of automation would you like to have? Would you like to have BDD, test with defined steps, or just a general description? And you can decide what type of output you would like to have. And then finally, you get a preview screen so you could see the options that you have selected. You can review it before proceeding with apply and start chat. If you click this button here, it'll show you a JSON outline of the options you chose. So up here, it's letting you know, hey, we're doing new manual test. And when you click apply start test, Magdi-AI will construct your manual test based on your specifications and your desired style and your desired output. So I will do other videos to kind of actually demonstrate those features working. I'll do a few of them so that the videos are not too long. But for now, I'm just introducing the wizard to you. So when we click previous, we can kind of go back. We can choose the different options, for example, automation. And when we click next, we get another set of settings that we can choose from. So here we can choose our tech stack in creating our new test automation project. So we can select what tool, framework, what language, what technique you would like to use. And here you have a screen scraping feature that will allow you to enter the URL of your application. You can select what depth. So you can say, hey, only capture the current page or try to get all reachable pages. And then you can select what the viewport is, desktop or mobile. And if your site requires login, you can enter that information as well. When you're done with your selection, your preview screen will let you know that we're doing a new automation project, and these are the choices that you have made. You can review them before clicking apply and start chat. So if we click previous one more time and we click update, we can now go to settings, and you could see that you can enter where your existing project exists. Actually, what it is that when you have existing projects, you will get a list of your projects by IDs in this version. We will be creating a new version where you can list them by project name instead of project IDs. It does give you, when you click, sorry, let me repeat that. When you click on the project IDs, it will populate the location of the project for you. And then here you can choose whether you want to overwrite your existing project, which means automatically update the files based on the change specifications, or create an updated project. That allows you to kind of have the option of reviewing the new code that was developed before overwriting your existing project, or just go ahead and overwrite it and debug it from there. You do have the screen scraping feature so that you can scrape your project for any new or changed elements, gather the new element IDs. That is great. And then finally, if you have a collection of projects in your folder, then you can opt to clean out your old projects. And but even if you don't manually do it, we have a timer where it will automatically delete the projects after a certain amount of days, which is located in the configuration file. So once you have made all of your selections, you can click the next button. You will see that the settings screen will show you the options that you have chosen so that you can verify if these are the options you would like to have. And then you can click apply and start chat. Once you have completed with the wizard, it will redirect to a normal chat window where you can kind of continue with your development efforts. Otherwise, if you just want to abandon the wizard, you can always click the back button and it will return you to the welcome screen. Thank